Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Ipfire versus Opnsense versus Pfsense Best Network Firewall 2025. In the world of open source firewalls, three major players dominate the landscape. Ipfire, Opnsense, and Pfsense each offer strong community support and robust features, but they cater to different needs. Ipfire is lightweight Linux-based firewall focus on simplicity and performance, perfect for home routers and edge gateways. It offers fast setup, built-in IDS/IPS, and modular add-ons through its Lacted Fans GUI tools and VLAN support. Meanwhile, OPN Sense, based on FreeBSD, is the most modern and user-friendly of the three. It features a slick interface, deep packet inspection, traffic shaping, and strong plugin support. While powerful, it can be resource-heavy and a bit complex for beginners. Lastly, PFSense is the veteran, trusted in enterprise environments for its stability, custom role building, VPN tools, and wide plugin support. However, its interface feels dated and some advanced tools are now locked behind the PFSense Plus paywall. In summary, choose IP Fire for speed and simplicity, OPN Sense for powerful usability, and PFSense for enterprise-grade control and reliability. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.